Hi guys, it's Mike Hayes, the digital ambassador, and you're looking at Zoom.us. Now, I use Zoom.us almost every day. I use it to create tutorials like this one. I use it to create video invitations to join me on digital video networking meetings of all kinds. Now, this little tutorial is the first in a series of short little video tutorials that I'm creating to teach people how to use even a free account on Zoom.us as the new video broadcast platform for the new digital economy, okay? Now, I use Zoom to ditch my own elevator pitch so I can have more fun when I'm networking at meetups and chamber mixers or B&I groups or wherever I go or am invited to speak and network with people. So I can build genuine business relationships by combining local in-person networking that we all love, but sometimes there's some shortcomings to it, with digital video networking meetings online for the best of all worlds. So if using an elevator pitch stresses you out, it's time to ditch your elevator pitch. Savvy entrepreneurs hire me, for example, to use, get this, the appeal of their offer as the currency to channel their ambition to larger audiences that we all want, using video networking meetings to sell with authority and to serve at a higher level and really catapult their success. Because there are so many ways to use Zoom that I'm going to start with the free version, step-by-step Zoom meetings, Zoom webinars, Zoom live streaming, to streaming to YouTube and Facebook and using Zoom for recordings, and even about Zoomtopia. Now that's the annual 2-day event for those of us who really wish to dig down into Zoom as the ultimate tool to serve our clients at a higher level. So I'll be posting these short chapter-sized tutorials in my LinkedIn page until I have enough of them to post all of them together for you. So stay tuned here. You're going to learn how Zoom can really help you get new clients and better serve your clients at the same time so you get better client video testimonials. Okay? So stay tuned. I'm Mike Hayes, the digital ambassador.